Hello students, how are you? I hope you are well. Stay home safe. Keep safe. Stay home, stay safe. Dear students, I have arranged this class for according to your NCTB new syllabus. NCTB has launched a syllabus to you for 30 days. This class is included into it. You have to write assignment in this time. This assignment has included according to your textbook. This textbook has designed beautifully. You have some section in this textbook, and your assignment is also has designed in this way. The test, if you solve this textbook section, your assignment will be fulfilled. To understand the passage, I have arranged some vocabulary, and from the beginning the passage you have a picture. Our lesson is from Unit 3, Lesson 3. International Mother Language Day. Lesson title is International Mother Language Day. 1. To understand the passage, there is some question about this picture. This picture is known to all. We know this picture from all ages. All of ages, because every people of this country is known to this picture, because some people are engaged in it directly. We call them language matters. The first question is, what's the picture about? We all know the picture is about Shahid Minar. What is the place in the picture? In every educational institution has this monument. We have Central Shahid Minar in Dhaka. You have Central Shahid Minar in Dhaka. Why was it built? It was built to tribute respect to the language movement, the language matters. So to understand the passage, I have arranged some vocabulary. You have to read this vocabulary to understand. If you want to understand the passage clearly. Students, here there are some vocabulary for you. First one is admirations. It's a noun, that means high regard. Climax, it's also a noun. Key moment, when a event reaches its top position, it's called key moment. Comment, it's a noun. One says or writes to give an opinion or explanation. So, when someone says something about the matter, then we can call this comment. Someone can also write it to give his opinion. Defy, it's a verb, to refuse to obey. Enkindle, it's a verb, to burn. Independence, it's a noun. Freedom from political control by other countries. Martyr, It's also a noun who makes sacrifice. Who makes sacrifice for the betterment of his country, society, language, etc. Memorable. It's an adjective. Or remembering. A remembrance who is costly, who has some earth. Movement is a noun, way of moving. Outlaw is a verb to make something illegal or unacceptable. Struggle is a verb trying very hard to do something difficult. Tribute is a verb, expression or of gratitude or praise. Undivided is an adjective not mixed with other feelings. Possession is a noun, a number of people moving forward in an orderly fashion. Students, these are the vocabulary for you. Now I will read the passage loudly. 21 February is a memorable day in our national history. We observe the day every year as International Mother Language Day. This day is a national holiday. On this way, we pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language in undivided Pakistan in 1952. The struggle to achieve our language rights is known as the language movement. The seed of the language movement was shown on March 1948, when Muhammad Ali Jinnah, the Governor General of Pakistan, declared in a public meeting in Dhaka that Urdu would be the only state language of Pakistan. The declaration raised a storm of protest in the eastern part of the country. The protest continued non-stop, gathering momentum day by day. It turned into a movement and reached its climax in 1952. The government outlawed all sorts of public meetings and rallies to stop it. The students of Dhaka University defied the law and brought out a peaceful petition on 21 February 1952. When the procession reached near Dhaka Medical College, the police opened fire on the students, killing Salam, Rafiq, Barkat, Shafur and Jabbar. As a result, there were mass protests all over the country and the government had to declare Bangla as a state language. This kindled the sparks of independence movement of Bangladesh. We know this incident very well because we are the only nations who sacrificed their lives for language. Now it's an International Mother Language Day. This event was only our national festivals, but it has observed all over the country as an International Mother Language Day. Some country opposed to say that this was the only on nations event this should not be the international event, but majority of the meeting agreed that though it's a small population of the world's event, but it's the rare event of the country. No nation can do this before. So we know Muhammad Ali Jinnah, who was the Governor General of Pakistan. He declared in a meeting that Urdu will be the only state language of Pakistan. Then our students protest. They said no, no, no. That's we don't agree. We don't agree. But then the police then they brought out a procession, outlaw the breaking that 144 rules. We all know this incident little or largely. This was the passage. Then we have to go to the section C. Here is a chart. We have to complete this chart. There are some years, and these years occurred some meaningful events. We have to mention these meaningful events. First one is (1947). What happened in 1947? Then 1948. Then 1952. 1952. What happened in this year? We all know in 1947 we were Pakistani. Then we are the member of undivided Pakistan. So 1957, what happened? India, Pakistan was divided. What 1948? We know from the passage that Muhammad Ali Jinnah declared Urdu as Pakistan's only official language. And finally 1952, it was the climax of the event. We know on 21st February, police killed Salam, Rafiq, Barkat and Jabbar. You can mention any other events, but I have shown you the example of this section of this section. If you find another events, you can mention it. You can mention 2 or 3. Then there are some word and their meaning. The words are tribute, climax, outlaw, defy, provoke, relent, then momentum. Here we have some meaning also. We know tribute. Tribute means to show respect to someone or something. Here is also the meaning, an act to show respect or admiration. Climates. You have vocabulary, so you know it easily. The most exciting point in time. Then outlaw, it's a verb. We have to find out also the meaning as a verb. Outlaw, to burn, to burn. Defy, you have also its vocabulary, so it means to refuse, to obey. Then provoke. When we try to make people to do something as our opinion, it's called provoke. So its causes is cause or to stimulate. Simulate. Relent means to give in. And momentum. The ability, the last one is the ability to keep increasing. Or developing. We have some vocabulary is given at first, and some vocabularies to mixed according to our text. And third one is answering, question answering. We have to answer 3 questions. We have to answer 3 questions according to section E. First question is, why do you observe 21st February as International Mother Language Day? It's an easy question. First one is, why do we observe 21st February as the International Day? Why do you observe? It's an easy task. You have in the passage, we observe. observe the day to pay tribute to the martyrs. Who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language. From your passage, you can find it easily. You need not to think about this question, because this question is nicely written in your text. We observe the day to pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives to establish Bangla as a state language. You can add also some other points, but I have mentioned for you only one point. What happened? What happened then? Sorry, when Urdu was declared as the only state language of Pakistan. We can go for passage number 3, where we can find easily what happened. What happened is a storm of protest, a storm of protest raised, but a storm of protest raised, you have to add when Urdu was declared as the state language of Pakistan. You have to add something. A storm of protest raised in the eastern part of the country, not whole Pakistan, in the part of the number 3. The question number 3. The Shield of Independence was shown on 21 February 1952. Do you agree? Why? Yes. Yes, I agree with the sentence. Now question is why? Because as it is the question is why, so we have to show some reason. Because this kindled the sparks movement of Bangladesh. Students, these are the section of your textbook. I have solved every section of your lesson and it will be effective for your assignment. You have to mention some section of your textbook in your assignment, and it is in your syllabus. So you should not be worried for this. This class is almost done, and stay home and practice it very carefully. Okay, goodbye.